Hello guys, today I'll show you how to make a vision board. Firstly, start with a brain dump of everything you want to achieve. This can include personal, financial, career, health, or relationship goals. Be specific. Instead of writing new car, describe the make, model, and color you want. Now search for images that represent your goals. These could be photos, inspirational quotes, items you're saving, and people engaging in activities you want to try. Now, arrange your board in a visually appealing way. You'll be looking at this very day, so take your time. Now, add captions under your images to remind yourself why each goal matters, and include affirmations to help reinforce a positive mindset. For example, I prioritize my health and nourish my body every day. I am capable of achieving financial freedom, etc. Your vision board should feel motivating and personal to you. Place it somewhere you'll see it daily, your desktop wallpaper, phone background, or print it out in your room. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.